Hi, my name is Roger Recate, Wealth and Tax Coach at Advisor Inc. Financial. Today, I'm living a dream, helping others, retirees, and middle market millionaires in 6 areas of planning: personal and estate planning, business and succession planning, real estate planning, and international planning, to truly connect the dots, to be over all the advisors, the CPAs, the estate planning attorneys, the brokers, the insurance agents, and the real estate agents, so that you can have someone you can truly trust. It really started in college, paying my way through college and truly wanting to become an entrepreneur. So I started taking action. I graduated from Missouri State University with an accounting degree and minor in marketing in 1984. And in 1988, I passed the CPA exam. And then in 1991, I started my own CPA firm after spending 6 years in public accounting. I did that for 15 years and then sold that firm. But along the way, in 1995, I passed my insurance and securities exam, which allowed me to start Advisor Inc. Financial, so I became a dual career advisor. And then in 2001, I passed the fee-based exam that started Advisor One LLC, a registered investment advisory firm, which has a fiduciary responsibility with all of our clients. In addition to that, in 2008, we basically started doing real estate consulting, where we were able to help others receive $7 million back in federal and state refunds, when truly the banks were not lending money. This really gave me a foundation to take the position as a wealth and tax coach. Today, I want to tell you a story about a wonderful single lady, retired, who came into our office in the first appointment after attending our workshop. She threw down all her brokerage statements and she said, "I think I'm worth about $5 million. So we decided to accumulate all the information and put it in our personal financial statement software and prepare for a second appointment. Keep in mind, she had a brokerage firm, a trust company, a CPA, and an estate planning attorney that were not communicating. So when she came in for that second appointment, I told her, I said, "We've got good news and bad news. The good news is you're worth $10 million. Can you imagine that you were off that much? That's because all the advisors were not communicating. The bad news is that if you die today with a $1 million exemption, this was like 6 years ago, you would have a $5 million estate tax liability." She was just distraught at that point. We were able to put together our retirement and tax roadmap, as well as our future generation roadmap. We were basically able to guarantee her an income of $200,000 per year, protect her assets, and preserve the wealth of the future generation. I'm excited to tell you about a husband and wife that came to me that had been working hard all their life, and they were 3 months from retiring, and they asked me to help them with their 401k and pension plan so that they would have an income for life. So we rolled both of those qualified plans and moved them to an IRA, and were able to help them so they would not ever run out of money for the rest of their life. So the wife really wanted me to look at her mom's estate, and her mom was a great planner, but she had a stroke 6 months earlier, and she didn't really share much about her estate with her daughter, and it was her sole beneficiary. So the daughter thought she was only worth $300,000 to $500,000. And when we completed the personal financial statement, she was worth $1.5 million. So she was excited, but I said, "I want to take a look at your will and trust." So I looked at the trust and I said, "Something's not right here," and she read through it as well. It was stating that the nonprofit church was going to receive 100% of the assets, and that the daughter would receive 10% of the income while she's still alive. So she went to her mom and asked her about it, and her mom said, "That's not right. I wanted to give you 100% of the assets, but gift 10% to the church." And this is an example of someone not taking a team approach, not really having someone looking over their estate, just going to one advisor. And So we were a little bit concerned. So within 2 weeks, we were able to really change that trust where 100% of the assets were going to the daughter, and then they were able to gift 10% of their assets to the church or any nonprofit they wanted to. And unfortunately, the mom passed away 6 months later. So I'm so thankful that we were able to help that client. You are the owner of the assets, but we're the point guard or quarterback of the team, giving you strategies and solutions for life. At Advisor Inc. Financial, we focus on 3 things: to preserve your wealth, protect your assets, and save on taxes. Won't you allow our wealth and tax team to help you and your family for generations to come? We look forward to helping you with your goals and dreams. If any one of you would like to use our Advisor Forever software, please email me at rrcpa@advisorink.com. That's rrcpa@advisorink.com.